Welcome to our annual Client Summit. This is actually our 9th year.
So what are you looking forward to today? Are you doing any of the breakouts?
Seeing a lot of people I hadn't seen in a while, learning a little more about the software, meeting old friends again.
Definitely have fun, meet new people, learn a lot of things, and most important, come back next year. So let's jump into it, all right?
'Cause your mama raised you better than that.
The people who come to ACS want to learn more.
There's always a wealth of knowledge here.
Every time I come, I learn so much more. Shortcuts.
I have learned a lot so far, and that's just day one.
Well, this is the first ACS that I've attended. It's really powerful.
This has been a great annual conference.
This is my first ACS, but it's definitely not going to be my last.
Cross my heart and hope to die, taking this one step at a time. Got your back if you got mine. One foot in front of the other. One foot in front of the other.
Thank you so much. Transfinder was founded in 1988, 30 years ago. How can this be that a technology company survives 30 years? It's because of innovation and its clients, its employees, it's everything. It's the atmosphere. It's the passion we have for school busing. It's for those yellow buses, and we really truly believe that we also have yellow blood in our veins.
I know your industry. I know you don't do the job because you want a bunch of publicity. I know that number one priority is trust. For all these families, for all these people to go, here. This is our most valuable commodity, and we trust them with you.
At the end of today, you're gonna realize you're an artist.
Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me.